Good day, students, and welcome back to another lecture of English 2. Today, in this class of English 2, we are going to learn to write a story. As you all love to write a story, to listen to a story, you must always try to listen to a story and write it what you have heard. That helps you framing sentences and to speak the language correctly. So, students, this is the page of your textbook, page number 143. Story writing. Write a story with the help of your teacher and the outline given below. Students, there are 5 images in the story on the page of your textbook that is given, and you have to look at them and write your story. There is one donkey and 2 men walking and few people watching them. In the second image, the young man is sitting on the donkey and the old man is walking where few people are laughing at them. In the third image, the young man is trying to walk and the old man is sitting on the donkey where other people are looking and observing them what is actually happening. In the fourth image, both of them sat on the donkey and the people are laughing at them. In the last and the fifth image, the donkey is drowned and one old man and the young man is looking at them what had happened now, and they have had a loss, that they had lost their donkey. Let's read out the outline that is given in your textbook. An old man and his son taking a donkey to the fair. None of them riding on the donkey. People laugh at them. Son asks to ride. Rebuked by the people. Father rides. He is rebuked too. Both ride. Are jeered at. Decided to carry the donkey. The donkey gets frightened on the bridge. Jumps into the river. Drones and moral. Students, remember that you have to write a moral story. You have to give a moral as well. You have to give a title to the story. So you will, with the help of these outline, write a story on page number 144 of your English 2 textbook. Let's begin the story. A man and his son were once going with their donkey to the market. As they were walking along, by his side, a countryman passed them and said, "You fools, what is a donkey for, but to ride upon?" So the man put the boy on the donkey and they went on their way. Students, can you see there's a donkey and 2 men and few people are just suggesting them that the donkey you all are taking, you can of course sit on it and go with it to the market. But soon they passed a group of men, one of whom said, "See that lazy youngster. He lets his father walk while he rides." Now, can you see the old man is pulling the donkey and the youngster has sat on the donkey, and the people who are watching them going like this are suggesting them that the youngster is sitting and the old man is pulling the donkey. So let's see what they do ahead. So the man ordered his boy to get off and got on himself, but they hadn't gone far when they passed 2 women, one of whom said to others, "Shame on that lazy lout, to let his poor little son trooped along." Means he was trying to walk slowly. The donkey is walking slowly because he is loaded with the man, a huge man, a old man. He is having so much of load, so people are laughing at them. Okay, poor donkey, the young fellow is walking and the old man is sitting on the donkey. So again they are suggesting them what is happening. Well, the man didn't know what to do, but at last he took his boy up before him on the donkey. But this time they had come to the town and the passerby began to jeer at the point at them. The man stopped and asked what they were scoffing at. Now here both of them had sat on the donkey because other people were suggesting that they could sit. Only the youngster was walking or he was sitting, then the old man sat and then he was pulling. So they were actually thinking what to do. Then they both sat on the donkey. And here the other people who were looking at them, the spectators basically, who were watching them going like this, had stopped them and scoff at them, means are suggesting them, what is this about the poor donkey, what to do about it, the poor donkey is having so much of load. So they are just pinpointing them. The man said, aren't you ashamed of yourself for overloading the poor donkey of yours, you and your hulky son? So this man is telling these two people that, are you ashamed of yourself for overloading the donkey? Because he is overloaded. He's a poor animal. He can't say anything. That doesn't mean you should put a overload on them. These two people are sitting on a donkey. So he's actually tired and walking slowly. So hulky son means the huge fat boy. Okay. The man and the boy got off and tried to think what to do. They thought that until at last they cut down a pole, tied the donkey's feet to it, and raised the pole and the donkey to their shoulders. Now, can you see, after listening to everybody, what they did? They took a rope, took a stick, and tied the donkey so that they could handle and take him on their shoulders and go. But can you see how difficult it is for a donkey to be like this in upside down position? They went along amid the laughter of all. Now every people were laughing in the crowd, looking at them in this manner. Who wet them until they came to a bridge, when the donkey, getting one of his feet loose, kicked out and caused the boy to drop his end of the pole. Now his one leg got loose from the boy's end, and he was dropped into the river. In a struggle, the donkey fell over the bridge, and his forefeet began being tied. His forefeet was tied together. So he drowned into the river. Can you see the donkey falling into the river? So students, moral of the story is, try to please everyone and you will please no one. Now if you listen everybody's advice and you want to do you want to make everyone happy, actually you will make nobody happy and you will make yourself also upset. So the moral of the story is, try to please everyone and you will please no one. Similarly, the name of the story would be The Man, the Boy and the Donkey. Students, I hope that you have understood the story and you will of course write it down in your textbook with the help of the suggestion and hints given in your textbook. Kindly like and share the video and subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you.